I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have some thank you cards to write after a baby shower or a wedding or any other event, you're gonna want to check out Winlyn. They have the most beautiful bulk set of thank you cards with a variety of different beautiful designs. I do have to say that my favorite feature of this whole set is the fact that the back of the envelopes have a sticker, so you don't have to wet these to seal them. You just peel off the sticker and it seals permanently. It's so practical and a huge time saver. Not only do you get a variety of beautiful floral designs, you also get to choose between vertical and horizontal cards, as well as 2 different color envelopes. I love that they give you those little stickers to put on the outside of your envelope. You have so many different options. That way you don't get bored by having to write on the same thank you card over and over again. This is just such a great option to have. So if you're looking for the perfect thank you cards, check out Winlyn. I am so impressed with the quality of this cardstock, the beautiful designs, the envelopes that are so convenient and easy to seal. You won't regret getting these thank you cards, and that's my point of view.